Where's that sun? Where's the morning sun to have some fun?
It needs to heat up.
Yeah, it's 25 degrees right now. 25 degrees. Good Lord, that's cold. There it is. That's what I'm talking about. You know it's gonna be a good day. A cold day, but it's gonna be a fun day.
Talking about snow tonight too.
Yeah, it's supposed to snow tonight. Look at that. It's morning sunrise somewhere over there. It's trying. It's trying. Well, Matt, any words of advice for today's match?
Don't suck.
Don't suck.
Yeah.
There you go.
We're gonna try our best. We'll see how it goes.
Oh, shitty cameraman.
No, that's all good. You're driving too.
All right, let's go. Let's go have some fun. Headed to Old Fort, North Khaki. Virtue of defense. Let's see what happens. All right, this was our stage one. Ray didn't do so well on this stage. I actually did decent. Not too shabby on this one. But unfortunately, I didn't get any video footage, so I got Ray up here. After he figured out what his wind call was, and it was 4/10 shooting left for some reason. But after he figured that out, he was spot on, so we had a good time. Definitely a good time, so here we go. Let's have some fun. Showing off the match, stage one at VOD, Virtue of Defense. All right. Time, please.
Yeah, it's like 4/10 right.
It's recovery though. Got
Four.
you for four.
$5 per cap.
$5 a cap.
Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Stand by. Engage.
Damn.
Impact.
Time up.
31 seconds.
Impact.
Come on.
Impact. Plenty of time. Got you for four.
What do you need, Rick?
Alright.
All right, this stage was a little bit of a pain in the butt. So you needed the bipod up high enough to shoot over that wood piece that was in front of it. And trying to get nice and sturdy and be able to support the rifle. I did bring the bag in the back, the pillow bag. Ended up using that. Try to get a little more stability. Did not do very well on this one. Did really well overall throughout the at the end of the day. But these are my two toughest stages were here. So from here, I fumbled with the bipod. I tried to have the bipod close to the action. That way I could put a bag behind it and help support it on top of the log I was shooting on, but it was too close for this stage here. I ripped it off, and I was just burning time trying to get into position. This position actually worked out well. Being able to squeeze your body in between the two logs really helped to support the rifle, which was nice, but did not do very well on this stage. So by the time I get all dialed in, get ready to shoot, it was time was up. So 90-second stages on everything today. Was basically the boat stage where you're floating on chains. One of the things I was looking for is trying to get the elevation, having my rifle level and pointed at the target and ready to go, so I didn't have to manipulate much. What was nice about this is the distances worked out perfect. We had to go from far to near. It was like 1.5. So I held over in the reticle. It was 1.5. I believe it was 1. Then it was 5, basically a 0.5 mil, and then 0, and then back again the other way. So instead of dialing this one and making that movement and having that floating deck basically move around, which seemed to, it happened with a lot of the shooters that didn't hold over. So it worked out perfect. Usually doesn't work out perfect like that, where everything is at the perfect distance for running it like that, but it seemed to work out okay. Did pretty decent on this one for sure.
Impact. Impact. Impact.
Good job, Rick.
Thank you.
Water up. Stand course fire.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Engage. Impact.
You got the Sasquatch, right?
Yep.
Time?
11 seconds.
Impact.
Ah! So
Ready?
time?
Impact.
How much?
27 now.
Thank you.
I didn't see them last two. Stand by. Engage. Impact. 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 Impact.
You go, Rick.
Impact. 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 Impact.
Nice run, Rick. All right, Mr. Rick.
Alright. You ready? Stand by. Engage. Impact. 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 Impact.
Good run, Rick. Good run, sir.
Yeah.
Stand by. Engage. Impact. 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 Engage. Impact. Impact.
Nice run, sir.
Just leave that bag up there.
No, follow this dirt road. At the end of the dirt road, like if you just went straight, you didn't turn. There's a target right there with a yellow stick and an orange top. Only thing to shoot at.
Alright, shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Engage. Impact.
Two, right?
Yep. Impact. 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 Stun. Impact.
Good job, Rick. Lay in.
It's you.
All right, so that was the end of the match. I had a great time. I placed the best I've ever placed. I got 5th place out of 42 shooters. So I'm super excited. And I'll show you a picture of all the winners. Mini X got first place junior. So she got a trophy for that. Ladies first place. X-Ring got 2nd place. And what a great time. I'd like to thank Chris Simmons for holding those matches. Always a pleasure to shoot his matches. So you guys take care. And if you made it this far, please hit the subscribe button if you have not yet. Definitely appreciate it. Trying to grow that channel. See you guys. Take care.